Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. So we're going to cover the Celox Rapid Hemostatic Agent Gauze in this video. This hemostatic agent uses the body's own natural clotting process to help those clots form and to stop major life-threatening bleeding. Typically, we're going to use this in the junctional areas such as shoulders, neck, hip, but you could also use this if you didn't have a tourniquet, or maybe you've used a tourniquet and you need some extra bleeding control. There again, this is for massive life-threatening bleeding that we're going to use this for. So we have a nice big laceration here that is bleeding profusely, so we want to get that controlled. We're going to use our Celox Rapid here. We have 4 different corners here that we can open up. And pull it open. And it's going to cordon out just like other hemostatic agents on the market. We have a nice big laceration here, so we want to find the source of the bleeding and put our gauze down in there. If we can't get all the gauze inside the wound, that is okay. We want to hold good solid pressure for at least 3 minutes afterwards. So I hope that video helps. We always encourage you to take a Stop the Bleed course or a First Care Provider course to learn more and get some good hands-on training with products like this. So thank you guys for watching.